Hey guys, this is Sam with South Hills Lincoln. I'm sitting here today in a 2022 Lincoln Corsair, and I wanted to talk about the sunroof. Does it have a sunroof? The simplest answer to this question is yes. Let me explain. The Lincoln Corsair does not come standard with a sunroof. There are three different trim levels on the Lincoln Corsair. There's the standard, the reserve, and the Grand Touring, which is the hybrid version. The reserve and Grand Touring versions, those both come standard with the roof. The standard base level trim of the Corsair does not come with the sunroof, but you can still get it with the sunroof if you opt for a package called the premium package. Premium package comes with the sunroof, 19 inches premium painted aluminum wheels. It also comes with premium trimmed leather seating, which is super comfortable. I'm sitting in it right now, and I don't know if it's the rain, but I think I could probably just fall asleep. What kind of roof are we talking? How big is it? Is it huge? Does it feel like a convertible? Let's talk about it. The Lincoln Corsair sunroof is actually so huge, I couldn't really fit it in a whole camera view. I tried to, but it takes two window panels of space up on the top of the vehicle. It is very durable. I have not heard of any customer coming in saying that there's a crack or anything of the like. Does it feel like a convertible? Yes, it definitely does. How does the sunroof work? Well, this is a panoramic sunroof. There's a sunroof, which is the actual like glass, and then there's the sunshade, which I'll show you guys right now. So the sunshade, there is a button right here, and if you hit it, the sunshade, power sunshade, it will go up halfway to cover the back window, and if you hit it again, it'll go back all the way. If you press this one, it opens up the first window for a vent. If you press it again, it'll go back down. If you press this one, it'll go up halfway across to the second window. And you can't open up the second one, but that's the progress they've made on the sunroof, and it is a huge sunroof, and it's a super nice sunroof. So that is what a power panoramic vista roof is and does in the Lincoln Corsair 2022. Let me know if you guys have any further questions about the vehicle. Have you had the sunroof in a vehicle before? How was your experience? Did you like it? If you'd like to take the Corsair for a drive, give us a call at 724-941-1600. Please make sure to ask for Sam or just hit extension 522. If there are any other questions you guys want me to answer in these other videos, let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button so that you can help us help other people, and subscribe so that we can help everyone around here get into the right vehicle along their search. So stay safe and happy holidays.